Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is IZZUDIN bin ZAIMI, and this is my group members, Darwisyh, Ariffin, Ariffin, Tanzin J, and Muhammad NOORAIEMAN AMIERUL. So today, our group will present about grounding. So now, I will explain about introduction of grounding. So system grounding is the intentional connection of the supply circuit connected to Earth at a particular location. For service grounding is the connection of the supply connector and service interest equipment, such as meter, panel, and disconnect to earth ground. Okay, for equipment grounding is the intentional connection of equipment, enclosure, and raceway to earth ground. Okay, next, lightning soil grounding FTKE. So before designing the grounding system, it is preferable to measure the soil resistivity. The Vanderpool point test we use for 4 probes placed at equal distance to estimate the profile of soil resistivity at various depth. It is a standard method for doing so. So I will pass to my friend to present about the next part. Thank you.
My name is AMIERUL ROSME, ZHENG. I continue with part introduction in lab sheet part grounding. For the objective, it's to investigate the soil resistivity whether the location soil resistivity is below 10 ohm. Second objective, to provide an alternative path of dangerous current to flow so that accident due to electric shock and damage to the equipment can be avoided. Third, to provide as low resistance possible to the ground. Fourth, to provide flow of positive, negative, and 0-second current.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Darwisyh Ariffin, and I will continue about meteorology. My ID number is TF19002. Okay, for first thing, we must check battery voltage. Okay, first set the function selector switch to battery check position and press to start and press to test button, and ensure the inductor is the right side of the battery good. If the meter doesn't reach the battery good, then replace the battery with the new one. And the second metrology, test the lead connection. Okay, first stick the attached auxiliary spike in the line and connect the test lead. And second, terminal E is connected to the electrode to test it, which is a green conductor. And third step is terminal P is connected to the potential spike, which is yellow conductor, and at the distance of 10 meters for the earth electrode. And the last step is terminal C is connected to the current spike, which is red conductor, at a distance of 20 meters from the earth electrode. Okay, the next part I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
A very good evening to Sir and ZHENG. For the result, we are assigned to observe and record 3 readings from the earth resistance testers. So each readings has to set 2 locations, which firstly, the yellow cable, where it is 10 meters away from the earth resistor testers. Secondly, the red cable, where it is 20 meters away from the earth resistor testers. So apparently, we can observe that the 3 readings are below 10 watt, which is the first reading is 6.8 ohm, the second is 2.8 ohm, and the third one is 6.0 ohm. So as a conclusions, we can make a small conclude that it means doesn't result in excessive error in earth resistor measurements. So that's all from me. Thank you.
In the conclusion, the electric grounding system ensures personal safety and equipment while working online. Remember, the energized line will only become energized overnight, so the electrical system should be kept safe at all times.
Dah boleh. Dah.